Got Ramogi. En Got Ramogi.
Yes.
Koro kusedhi kuno wawinjane kaka Ruth Odinga loso e gwenge mabondo.
They will be with him here.
Not so many people have the privilege of their homes being turned into heritage site. What does it mean for the Odinga family now that Kango Kajaramogi is permanently in the map?
Those are some of the geniuses that my brother Raila did. I remember when he told us that he was making our home a museum. I was the first one to protest. I told him, so where am I going to go? Because I'm the last born of Oginga. And I didn't know where I was going to go when our home has been made a national museum of Kenya. But afterwards, schools go there. There's a lot of heritage. People are learning from it. And now it's even more monumental. Now that even Raila Odinga is buried there, that means that our legacy, Odinga family, will live forever in people's minds. Asante sana.
Looking at love that has come as a result of this, how does the family feel?
I want to say something. You are the same people, especially you as a Gen Z, who's telling me about the pouring of glass when he's dead. How about when he had not died and you're saying that he died only knowing you people telling him. You only ask what else he was. How about father? I love you people to have more love. So I say, for those who said those things when he was still alive, it was really wrong. But for those who have shown their love right now, Amukujua, the reality would be this. But the loss is for Kenya. When I laid him down and I stopped the machines, I said, Kenya has lost. Kenya is lost. I don't know where it's going without Raila. Thank you. Can I just... Thank you.
Ka oloso mopogo e weche ma kata e chenro magintiere kata gigo eko ma Raila nowachone kata mane Raila dwa chano timo e kinde mokalo kapod nongima. Ruth Odinga oloso kendo bang' thuolo machuok ahinya ka waneno ka Dr. Buru Oginga bende odonjo kanyo ka jofwambo marwa biro yude to kendo wabiro dhi achiel kachiel nyaka bondo mondo wang'i ane ni to koro chal nade. Nyawinjo ka moluor Dr. Buru Oginga owacho ni ne giwere mana gi Raila gi higa achiel gi dweche 3 kendo Raila nyotho mane birthday mar Dr. Oburu. Nyo wacho ni gino nye lit ne ahinya to gima bende nye bedo malit Winnie nyar Raila kano duogo to no kaw kofia mogo chonge piny momiyo min mare kuko ne ni mama mae maduogo go nikech niche gin kode kocha. Donge wachno nyalo bede pachi aming'a.
Pachi Oburu.
Pachi Oburu
gima ne timore gama gino no hinyo sana